Hey guys, how's it going? So, are you guys ready for Black Monday? Cause I'm ready for Black Monday. I'm very excited. I'm very happy, and I can't wait until Black Monday arrives because I'm in cash. So the last Black Monday was October 20th, 1987. The Dow dropped 508 points, 8.32 points, and yeah, it was basically a market crash in 1987. In 1987, I was born on July 7, 1987. So this was the same year I was born on. And 31 years later, we're gonna have another market crash. Through the time I lived, there was probably two big major crash. The one in 2000 and the 2008. So yeah, and this one is happening on. This one happened on 1987. There's gonna be another one on December 24th, 2018. I mean, I could be wrong, and maybe the Dow does not crash 1,000 points, because you know it's a possibility, or even more than 1,000 points. I mean, I would make so much money if the Dow crashed like 2,000, 3,000 points. I would make ridiculous amount of money. I'm very excited on Monday. Before I begin, I just wanted to tell you guys, because of all my put options that I put on the thing, I do not want to sell my Aurora stock because of tax purposes. If I was to claim this $108,000, my taxes would skyrocket. Right now, I've already clocked in $80,000 of profit, 80,000 Canadian dollars of profit, and with all the options that I'm gonna cash in, that's gonna push that money over to like way higher than that. So I'm just gonna leave Aurora alone. I'm not gonna sell it. I'm just gonna leave it, just for the purpose of taxes. If it wasn't for taxes, I don't want to be looking at a big tax bill when I have to pay the government. And since tax season is almost ending, I don't want to sell this just for the purpose of tax. I've already sold off quite a bit of Aurora shares already, so, and I want to leave the rest of this. So I'm gonna take a hit. So every dollar the stock goes down, I lose $24,000. So if the stock went down to $2.88, I would lose 50,000 US dollars. But that's okay. I will make the difference up with option calls and put options. You know, whatever. That's my plan going forward. Maybe you guys think that's wrong. Maybe you guys say I should just take my profit and just pay the government $100,000 next year for taxes. You guys could argue that, saying that I should just pay the government $100,000 next year. I don't really want to pay him $100,000, but you know it might be a scenario. I mean, it might be less, but I mean it's at least $50,000, and then the government will require me to pay another $50,000 like a few months later, because they want me to prepay for next year because I made so much money. It's kind of retarded how that system works, but that's how the government system works in Canada for taxes. And that's why I'm not selling my Aurora stock. I'm gonna ride it out. I'm gonna sit there, and I'm gonna let it decrease in price, and I'm just gonna be playing put options on Monday. Definitely playing put options on Monday. So the Dow Jones declined 404 points last Friday, so on December 21st, and Black Monday was 508 points. But you gotta remember that the Dow is a lot higher than it was in 1987, because if you look at the all-time chart, in 1987 the Dow was 2,637 points, and then it crashed all the way down to the below 2,000 points. So that's like a 500% loss in one day. Back then it was bigger, but it looks so insignificant because it was so long ago, and the fact that the stock is so inflated right now. So, but you know, what happened if we have like a big crash? What happened if we have like a 2,000 points crash, a 3,000 points crash? That would scare the shit out of everyone. People would be panicking and selling everything they have, because that would freak people out, and that would be the new Black Monday of our history. And I'm making this video as it comes. It may come to life, it may not come to life. The worst Black Monday Christmas Eve crash in our history, the new history. Will we be hitting new history tomorrow? We'll find out. I'm excited because I have a lot of cash and I'm playing put options like crazy. So I'm very, very excited for for Monday, and I can't wait until it comes. So I just wanted to bring this up. On Saturday, December 22nd, there was a Christmas party at my work. So I went there and I ate some food, and yeah, these are pictures of the food. There's like turkey and stuffing and ham and gravy, and then, you know, some rice and beef balls or whatever these are. But there was something really, really interesting. I kind of wanted to take a picture of him and ask him to put him on my YouTube, but it was so busy. Like, there was so many little kids there, and there was so many adults, and he was taking pictures with everyone. And I was like, okay, you know what? It sounds so busy, and I kind of don't want to ask him. So I just left, and yeah. But it was funny because the Grinch, literally, there was a Grinch dressed up in a Santa costume taking pictures with people. The Grinch. I was like, why the Grinch? Like, oh, is it an omen for the stock market crash? I don't know, but is it? I don't know. I hope so, because I want to make a lot of money. I really want to make a lot of money. We'll see what happens though. So, I'm excited for Black Monday. I think it's like a blessing for me, but maybe to other people it's like, oh shit, I'm gonna lose a lot of money in the short term. In the long term, you make it back, but in the short term, you're gonna lose a lot of money if this market crashes. I did warn people. I came out multiple times. I've been making video back after back after back saying the market will crash, the market will crash, the market will crash. So I did give people lots of warning that the stock market will crash. I mean, I could be wrong. The stock market could rally. It could rally and everyone could make their money back. But I think the stock market is gonna crash. It's gonna fall hard and it's gonna crash. That's what I think. maybe I'm a little evil, but I'm not. I don't know. I just want money. I don't know if I'm evil or I'm not evil, or, you know, all I care about is making money. All I think about is making money. And, you know, that's my whole life. That's like money, 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 and money, more money. Like, I just can't stop thinking about money. Even though I have a lot of money, I still can't stop thinking about money. I just keep wanting to make more money. So, that's the way I am, and that's how my life is. So, I've been watching a lot of videos on the stock market crash. Back in October, I kind of seen a few videos, but I was like, it's probably a correction. It's not a crash. Why would the stock market crash? The economy's strong. And then, so I kind of ignored it. And then, suddenly, since I'm in cash now, and I sold off most of my stocks, I'm just like looking at this, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm in cash. I hope the stock market crashes so I can make a lot of money. So, I mean, it could not, but I think it will. We'll see. Maybe this is a video that's going to be in histories. Who knows? When I was watching a lot of stock market crash videos, I came across this guy, and I really like this guy. He talks about a lot about stocks and option trading and making a lot of money, and I really like his voice. I think he has a very good voice. He's been around for a while too. 2014 has 4 million views. He has 20,000 subscribers. I guess if he was talking more about like he doesn't show his face though. I wonder why he doesn't show his face. Is it because he has so much money that he doesn't want people to like spot him out and, find him or something? I have no idea, but I've been watching a lot of his videos lately. Like, as you can see, these red bars. Every video I watched, and yeah, I watched a lot of his videos. I really like this guy. I think he's very intelligent, and I like his voice. So check him out if you haven't. So, Wiki says that we're going to have a market crash. I say we're going to have a market crash. I'm crossing my fingers for tomorrow's market crash. So, some of the stocks to short, Disney. Why? Because Disney has only gone down 10%. I think people are going to panic, and they're going to start selling their Disney stock. And the Disney stock is going to plummet quite a bit. Why? Because they can use that money to buy it back when it's cheaper. Right? If the market's going to crash, buy it back when it's cheaper. So I'm hoping this stock goes all the way down to like its 2014 lows, $80. That would be awesome. That would be like freaking awesome. But it may not happen. Intel, another good company to short, because they haven't really gone down that much. I mean, if you take them all-time highs, they've been down 20%. But the market didn't crash around here. It crashed around October. So Intel is pretty good for the month of the crash. So I already have a short on Intel, but I may add another short on Intel. I may add another put option on Intel. Disney, I'm thinking of just putting a put option on Disney. Apple, Apple, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to put a put option on Apple, even though it's already declined so much. I still think that there's more to come, so I'm just going to put a put option on Apple too. McDonald's. Oh, definitely, right? Definitely McDonald's. Like, McDonald's from its all-time highs. McDonald's did the opposite. When we were talking about stock market crash, a lot of people were throwing money into McDonald's. And then since the stock market is actually crashing, I think those guys are starting to bail out. And they're going to keep bailing out. And I think the stock is going to be heading back to $125. Possibly lower, maybe $100. That's why I believe that stock is heading. Because, like my theory, if the market's going to crash, sell out now, wait until an opportunity, and then buy back in. Or put your money in other companies, right? Like, why hold on to a company when the market is crashing? There's opportunities everywhere. So I do believe McDonald's will go down, and I'm hoping I might put another short on McDonald's. I have one already. And then before I go, I just want to bring up Dollarama. Dollarama is also having a crash. I probably wouldn't put a short on Dollarama. I would wait until it goes lower, maybe like $15. I would, make a purchase, because I don't know. I think Dollarama is a good company. overall. So if it crashes really bad, like $15, like maybe $20, if it goes down to $20, right now it looks like a falling knife, and if the market crashes, it might be even a deeper falling knife. So I think it could be a not bad buy, because everybody loves the dollar store. Like, everybody in this planet has been to a dollar store before. Almost everyone. I could be wrong. There could be like 10% of the population that has never been to a Dollarama store. But a lot of people have been to a Dollarama store. A lot of people know about a dollar store. So that's why I guess Dollarama is a Canadian company, so not as good as like I don't know, like a US dollar company. But I just wanted to bring this up because it was interesting. And they pay like a small dividend too, which is kind of cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up. It helps me grow, but probably gonna get a lot more thumbs down. Subscribe for future content, and have a great day. I mean, I guess depending on what side you are on. Either if you're on the side of the bull, have a great day. If you side, on the bear, have a good day. If you side on the bull, I wish you luck tomorrow. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.